everyone, I am Nilufar, and in this video you will see 3 bookmarks made using very easily available materials. I have used watercolor in all 3 of them. In the first one I have drawn Lord Buddha and I have used watercolor in the background. So keep watching. You will need a black gel pen for the foreground, that is Lord Buddha, and you will need watercolor, that's it. Don't forget to use a masking tape around the edges of the art paper that you are using, or you can use a cello tape as well. It works fine, it's the same thing. It gives a very crisp border and looks very beautiful, so do try that. I'm sure you'll love it. Doesn't it look peaceful? The Buddha and the green and blue colors give a very calm effect. I hope you like the outcome. Next up, we have another bookmark in which I have used a ball pen, as you can see. All of us use ball pens in everyday life, so I thought why not use it in making a bookmark. And let's do it. I have drawn a ship because I love it. You can draw anything that you like and use a ball pen to make the highlights and shades of it.
Silence speaks so and I hear you calling up, yeah.
Don't you like how the bookmark turned out to be? Just a ball pen and watercolor will do the magic. So please try it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Now for the last one, I want a bookmark with flowers and patterns on it. I haven't drawn anything beforehand, I'm just using the watercolor pencils and brushes and trying to make loose watercolor floral patterns. It is not at all necessary to have the watercolor pencils. You can very well use the watercolor tubes or palettes that are readily available. It will give the exact same effect. And keep watching to see how the bookmark turns out to be.
Silence speaks so and I hear you calling up, yeah.
Thank you so much for all the support and love. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.